That was 2017.
Yes.
Today, 2025, you've been together for 15 years, 17, including the 2 years. Kumusta? Kung ilalarawan nyo sa amin itong paglalakbay ninyo, how would you describe it?
It's very meaningful, and dapat papanindigan mo every day. And for me, we never namin sinabi na malakas yung marriage namin.
Oh,
we're okay, we're perfect. No. Siguro kami dalawa conscious lang na we have to work on it every day. Tapos here we are 17 years after, no?
Yes.
And marami rin kami mga pinagdaanan ng mga challenges. And,
Katulad?
Yan, yung mga selosan, mga
yung
oras.
mga oras.
Okay, oras,
Tapos even
selos.
long-distance relationship before, pinagdaanan din namin yan.
Long distance because Yasmin was...
Italian.
Italy.
Okay.
She was in Italy before. Basta ang dami namin pinagdaanan na happy kami kasi we stood by each other.
Sinasabi mo yan, Alfred, and this is the first time I'm hearing this, na it's a deliberate decision that you make every day. Ano yan? Yung parang conscious kayo na it's not taken for granted, the relationship. You work on it every day.
Yeah, you work on it every day. Lalo na, we have 4 children. And kami, mas nakikilala mo every day eh. Even until today, after 17 years, we are still getting to know each other more.
At saka ganun pa rin ang titig mo, ha? Malagkit pa rin. I mean, you can see it in the eyes, di ba?
Nakaka-inlove naman talaga.
Oo naman, oo. Inside and out, I mean, Yasmin is beautiful. But do you speak to your husband in Italian?
Paggalit.
Talaga? Paano? Oo.
Sample nga.
Sample nga. Sige lang, yung pwede lang. Yasmin?
Something lang.
Something lang, in Italian.
Pangit.
Pangit ang ibig sabihin. How do you say?
Any Italian na lang, any Italian.
Saan ka ba nang
Kaya mo
kahit
rin,
maganda.
basta, ganun.
Hindi, halimbawa sabihin mo, saan ka nang galing? Sabi mo, maaga ka uuwi. How do you say that in Italian?
Mi dito che torni presto.
Okay.
Torni presto.
Ibig sabihin, maaga ka umuwi.
Oo. Halimbawa, we say, ano ba? Hindi kasi nasagot. How do you say, ano ba in Italian?
Ano ba? Paano yun?
Oo.
Ano ba?
Sumagot ka.
Ano nangyari?
Ano nangyari? Cosa è successo? Tapos may hampas.
May hampas.
Cosa è successo?
I'm sorry?
Cosa è successo?
Cosa successo? You're very, very private. And thank you for coming to the show. I know it takes a lot. I mean, for somebody very private. Pero ang asawa mo ay artista, siya ay politiko. How do you manage that?
Wala akong choice.
And because wala kang choice,
Wala akong choice. So kung support lang ako sa asawa ko.
nandiyan ka lang.
Nandiyan lang
Ikaw,
ako.
Alfred, how do you protect your children, your family, from the invasion, ika nga, when we talk about privacy?
Alam mo, Tito Boy, daig ko pa ang tumama ng 10 beses sa loto sa misis ko. Kasi, talagang God blessed me with a very good wife, very sincere and very supportive wife na napaka-understanding sa akin. From showbiz to
Politics, public service.
And now, I'm very happy kasi she's the one who's raising my children. Na nakikita ko, they're all growing up to be very fine young ladies and good young gentlemen.
Yeah. Wow. Okay.
So, talaga, kumbaga, kung ako yung haligi ng tahanan, ilaw talaga siya. And to answer your question, Tito Boy, sa bahay wala na akong inaalala. Kasi she's taking care of everything.
I understand.
Kaya ako merong oras para sa iba, para sa tao, kasi wala na akong pinoproblema sa bahay.